Hello there, Zanna James here, and we had quite a mix of conditions today. Now, on my way into the office, as you look down to the central range, there were showers. But if you look to the east, it was blue skies and puffy clouds. Now, that did not last long, though, as a tropical wave moved in and brought with it showers and thunderstorm activity over most of Tobago and northern and western parts of Trinidad. Now, despite the rainfall in several areas, it still felt hot and humid thanks to that mix of sun and showers. So if you felt extra sticky today, you definitely were not imagining it. Over in Tobago, though, it was a different story because of the more consistent cloudiness and showers that helped keep daytime temperatures on the cooler side over in the sister isle. Now, conditions have already started to settle, though we may still see a few lingering showers over northern and northwestern Trinidad. But as we head into the night, partly cloudy skies are expected, with temperatures dipping to 23 degrees in Trinidad and 24 over in Tobago. Looking ahead, we're tracking the next tropical wave, currently moving west at about 37 kilometers per hour. Now, it is set to affect the Lesser Antilles first on Wednesday, with the lower half of that wave reaching our area by Thursday. Now, this wave could act as a pull factor for the intertropical convergence zone, drawing that moisture northward and bringing some instability with it. But because of the wave's angled axis, while conditions build to our north, we may see this patch of drier air holding over our area tomorrow. That means mostly sunny skies are expected on Wednesday, with just a low chance of an afternoon heavy shower, and temperatures will be peaking pretty warm around 33 degrees. Northeastern Tobago might still catch some of that early activity from this wave in the afternoon, but otherwise mostly hot, sunny and hazy conditions are expected, and we'll be monitoring closely for any trailing showers and thunderstorms that could push south by Thursday. When it comes to our seas, conditions remain moderate with waves between 1.5 and 2 meters in open waters and up to 1 meter in sheltered areas, which can become occasionally choppy at times. And as we take a look at our tidal times, let's zoom out of the Caribbean and into the wider Atlantic. Now, there is an area of low pressure over the northeastern part of the Gulf and the Florida Peninsula, where we could see a lot of instability already. According to the models, it has a 40% chance of developing into a tropical depression by Wednesday as it moves towards Louisiana by Thursday. While this poses no threat to Trinidad and Tobago, it could bring some instability to parts of the Western Caribbean. So if you have friends or family in the U.S. Gulf Coast or surrounding regions, it is something we'll be keeping a close eye on. So to wrap things up, sunny conditions tomorrow, instability from the tropical wave returns by Thursday, and we're tracking that area within the Gulf for any development in the coming days.